here. What's the read, first of all, on the strong outperformance in the last month or so of Ethereum over Bitcoin? What seems to be driving it?
What's most interesting to me for this rally is the fact that Bitcoin dominance, the measure of Bitcoin's market cap relative to the market cap of the rest of the crypto industry, has been in steady decline. We're currently sitting at about 42 relative to highs earlier this year of about 70, and pretty close to the all-time lows of about 37. Now, my take on this is we're seeing an increased interest in other aspects of the crypto industry that represent push and innovation in the smart contract space, particularly the layer one protocols that enable the disintermediation of contracts. Ethereum, Solana, DOT, and similar assets have all seen a lot of interest lately, and I think it's a pretty clear indication that institutions are starting to look beyond Bitcoin to ways the industry might evolve finance going forward. And it's really interesting, and I think that's where we're going to see a lot of growth and innovation over the course of the next 6 to 12 months.
That interpretation implies kind of an infrastructure play, sort of the promise longer term of the way crypto might be able to sort of overtake and infiltrate the rest of finance. But is it also, in terms of Ethereum, not being driven by sort of the NFT and collectibles bidding craze? I mean, obviously, those two aren't necessarily contradictory, but it seems like that's the headline phenomenon right now.
Yeah, that's a great observation. Ethereum and other smart contract protocols sit behind the NFT layer. They are effectively what enables individuals to invest in things like NFTs. And I think we've just seen the beginning in the NFT space. There's also other interesting things happening in terms of smart contracts and like making data available to people in a decentralized way that is enabled by things like Solana and Ethereum, as well as other innovations. So you're right to look at the upper layers and understand how those aspects of the industry are growing too.
And you think Bitcoin dominance just continues to go lower to the point where, that's just another coin?
I don't think it'll ever be just another coin, largely because Bitcoin's space in the crypto industry is one of kind of store of value, and it's a strong inflationary hedge. Particularly in the face of $4.5 trillion potentially coming back into the economy in the United States as a result of Fed action, people are always going to look to Bitcoin as an inflationary hedge and a store of value. That said, as the industry grows and as new projects are introduced, it's inevitable that Bitcoin dominance will continue to shrink over time because there will just be more interest in projects beyond what we've seen in the past.
Chris, thanks a lot for the update. Appreciate it.